In this video we can talk about top 5 SpinnerChief alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. If you are already tired of using SpinnerChief for meeting your content writing requirements, worry not. Today, in this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of SpinnerChief, including Grammarly, Quillbot, Ginger Software, Plagiarism Detector, and Spinbot, that will help enhance your writing capabilities. Let's dive in and get a hook of these 5 alternatives. The first alternative we have Grammarly. Grammarly is an advanced writing assistant that offers a wide range of features to enhance your writing. It offers features like grammar and spell check, improving sentence structure, and style suggestions. With its intuitive interface and browser extension, Grammarly is a great tool for writers, students, and professionals who want to improve their writing skills. One of the standout features of Grammarly is its advanced writing suggestions for sentence structure and style. Next on our list is Quillbot. Quillbot is an AI-powered paraphrasing tool that helps you rewrite sentences and paragraphs while maintaining the original meaning. It offers features like style editor, sentence rephraser, citation generator, and translator feature. It uses advanced algorithms to generate alternative suggestions, making it an excellent choice for content creators, bloggers, and students who need to paraphrase or rephrase text. One of the standout features of Quillbot is its ability of AI-powered paraphrasing while maintaining original meaning. Moving on, we have Ginger Software. Ginger Software is a comprehensive writing tool that focuses on grammar and spell check of certain content. It comes with features like rephraser, AI-based synonyms, and online proofreading. With this AI tool, you can correct all your mistakes in the content with just one click. Ginger Software is suitable for both native and non-native English speakers, providing a seamless writing experience. One of the standout features of Ginger Software is the text reader that helps to identify errors through audio feedback. Our fourth alternative is Plagiarism Detector. As the name suggests, Plagiarism Detector is a tool specifically designed to check for plagiarism in your written content. It offers features like multiple file support, PDF to Word, and Plagiarism Checker. With its accurate detection algorithms, Plagiarism Detector is an essential tool for writers, researchers, and educators who want to ensure originality in their work. And one of its standout features is accurate plagiarism detection that helps to ensure content originality. Last but not least, we have Spinbot. Spinbot is a content spinning tool that helps you generate unique variations of your existing content. It offers features like grammar checker, summarizer, and AI content detector. It uses intelligent algorithms to replace words and phrases with their synonyms, creating fresh content that is unique and SEO friendly. One of the standout features of Spinbot is intelligent content spinning with synonym replacement. Compared to SpinnerChief, Grammarly stands out with its comprehensive writing assistance, focusing on grammar and style improvement. On the other hand, Quillbot excels in paraphrasing and rephrasing content while maintaining the original meaning. Ginger Software offers a text reader feature, allowing users to listen to their written text for error identification, while Plagiarism Detector specializes in accurate detection of copied content, ensuring originality. Lastly, Spinbot provides intelligent content spinning with synonym replacement, ideal for generating multiple versions of an article or blog post quickly. If you're seeking an alternative to SpinnerChief that covers both writing assistance and paraphrasing, we recommend Quillbot as the best option. With its AI-powered paraphrasing and maintenance of original meaning, Quillbot offers a powerful tool for content creators. It provides the necessary features to enhance writing quality and generate fresh content effortlessly. We hope this comparison has provided you with certain insights into the alternatives to SpinnerChief. Each alternative offers distinct advantages, so consider your specific needs and preferences when making a decision. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.